p.m. this afternoon to 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Thursday. What? East winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of south central and southeast Texas. When? From 3 p.m. this afternoon to 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Thursday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects. Tropical storm warning in effect. What? East winds 25 to 35 knots with gusts up to 40 knots and seas 10 to 15 feet. Where? Portions of Gulf of Mexico. When? Through Thursday morning. Impacts. Very strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and or secure the vessel for severe conditions. Tropical storm warning in effect.